The Blue Planet AI Studio is our real-time runtime and development environment for creating agentic outcomes. Essentially, it's a democratized way for operators to leverage the Blue Planet data source to be able to build agents and deliver agents based on their needs.
Blue Planet's AI Studio adopts a flexible approach where we recognize that there's not one single agent that is going to power and run an entire network. Today's modern networks require complexity around agents that can do inventory, assurance, orchestration. This is important because we not only build our own Blue Planet agents based on our customer requirements, we also empower them with AI Studio so that they can build their own or leverage third-party built agents from SIs and other partners.
There are three pillars to securing AI Studio from a Blue Planet point of view. We have the data control, model control, and the governance control here. In the data control, we have the LLM gateway connecting to LLMs that customers can host inside their on-premises environment or also to an external LLM agent. Now, in this scenario, we have the gateway that provides a secure connectivity to the LLM. We control that LLM gateway interface to these LLM external endpoints so that we have a governance model around that. Second one is around model control. Model control gives customers the control around where they want to host their LLMs, whether it's on premises or on cloud. LLM Gateway provides you with that interface to connect to these LLM models where you can control the model that you are interacting with, however, also securing your agentic framework within the overall AI Studio. Third one is around governance control. We have something called as Agent Ops built into the overall AI Studio framework. It has also been integrated with an RBAC framework within the overall Blue Planet platform. Now, what does this RBAC do is it provides your role-based access control to your end users, and you can assign roles and users to each and every agentic ask. Now, the overall framework is deployed such that your RBAC can be governed by your internal integration points. You can integrate it with your LDAP, SSO, SAML endpoints so that you have your own internal user and role mapping associated with the AI Studio RBAC user and role mapping, so you can trace it back internally what roles you have assigned to what agents and what actions are being performed based on the kind of users and roles you have assigned.
Yeah, with AI Studio, we actually implemented the strategy of having AI embedded in our portfolio. What I mean by that is to have a common framework that would allow the build-out, management, and composition of agents across all the applications of Blue Planet, but also the ability to build components of those applications using AI Studio. We believe in AI being built in, again, not a bolt-on or an afterthought. In addition, we are at the beginning of this journey with AI and Agentic. So we expect way more integrations to happen across multiple systems, across OSS systems, network, BSS, digital systems. Therefore, we see the ability to have agent-to-agent interaction to be fundamental in the future. We also believe that we want to ensure our customer investments in large agentic platforms can be still used in the context of Blue Planet. So we made the platform as open, where you can basically build agents on hyperscale platforms, as an example, and port them over to Blue Planet. Or the other way around, we are showing, for example, the ability to expose a Blue Planet agent as an agent as a service in hyperscale marketplaces.
AI Studio is accelerating the deployment of AI agents within networks today by providing tools to our service provider customers